Who doesn't want low-maintenance SUVs that last long and have low repair costs? They're like every driver's dream out there. And guess what? We've brought your dream to life, because after going through hundreds of SUVs, checking out requirements like the 5-year cost of ownership, reliability rating, trims, engine specifications, mileage towing capacity, and other criteria, we've come up with 5 of the best durable low-maintenance SUVs. 1. 2021 Honda CR-V. It's very common to spot many CR-Vs on busy highways or in parking lots. And it's no fluke, there's a very good reason for that. Lots of people and families think the Honda CR-V is the ideal vehicle. The 2018 to 2021 model years in particular have been known for their low maintenance and durability. The 2021 Honda CR-V has a predicted reliability score of 84 out of 100. Honda did something smart by putting a new kind of engine in the CR-V, a 1.5-liter turbocharged one that gives 190 horsepower. They also paired it with one of the best automatic transmissions around. A Honda CR-V can reach upwards of 250,000 to 300,000 miles if maintained regularly. The CR-V can tow 1,500 pounds and will cost you about $1,900 for maintenance and repairs during its first 5 years of service. And with a starting price of $26,575 and a mileage of 28 city and 34 highway mpg, the CR-V is great for both short and long drives because it stays calm and comfortable, but you lose about $7,000 to depreciation after 5 years. Fuel costs also run up to $4,000 and insurance sits around $7,000. 2. 2020 Toyota RAV4. When it comes to Toyota, we all know the synonym for Toyota is reliability. The RAV4 is always a popular SUV choice, and it has 6 trims in total, different models for different budgets. With a starting price of $27,000, the LE model is basic and affordable, while the high-end limited model has lots of fancy features that can rival the Lexus NX. The average cost of owning a Toyota RAV4 for 5 years is $26,095. These ownership expenses include depreciation, insurance premiums, maintenance and repairs, loan interest, and fuel costs. For maintenance and repairs during its first 5 years of service, the Toyota RAV4 drains your pocket by about $1,500. Depreciation takes about $7,000 off the car, insurance takes another $7,000, loan interest $4,000, and fuel costs over 5 years total up to $5,900. According to VehicleHistory.com, you can expect the Toyota RAV4 to last around 250,000 to 300,000 miles with proper care. The 2020 RAV4 has a 203 horsepower 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It comes with front-wheel drive, but you can choose all-wheel drive depending on the trim. The RAV4 has good fuel efficiency, according to the EPA. The front-wheel drive RAV4 can get around 35 miles per gallon on the highway and 27 miles per gallon in the city. This puts it in the same league as the first SUV in this video, the Honda CR-V, with a reliability score of 74 out of 100. 3. 2020 Toyota Sequoia. The Toyota Sequoia is known for being very reliable. J.D. Power gave it a high reliability score of 77 out of 100, and on average, it only needs to go to the repair shop about 0.3 times a year. When it does need repairs, there's only a 12% chance that the damage is severe. MotorBiscuit even called the Toyota Sequoia one of the most reliable SUVs nobody seems to be driving. Drivers have reported that the Sequoia can easily last over a decade and reach 300,000 miles without major issues. The Sequoia comes with only one engine option, a 381 horsepower V8, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. You can choose between rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. The Toyota Sequoia will cost about $1,800 for maintenance and repairs during its first 5 years of service. The car depreciates by a whopping $20,000 after 5 years of usage. Fuel costs stand at $24,000, interest $8,000, insurance $7,000. With the right maintenance at the right time, your Sequoia has a good chance of hitting 200,000 miles or more. It comes with a mileage of 13 mpg city and 17 mpg highway. It can tow up to 7,400 pounds, but some rivals can pull an extra 1,000 pounds or more. 4. 2021 Subaru Forester. Subaru has built a strong reputation in both motorsport and its everyday lineup of crossovers, SUVs, and sedans. Many of their vehicles are known for being durable and reliable. Our research, which includes information from trusted sources like RepairPal and CareEdge, shows that Subaru vehicles often receive high reliability ratings and have low estimated maintenance costs. The 2021 Subaru Forester comes in 5 trims and can tow up to 1,500 pounds. All Forester models have the same 2.5-liter flat 4-cylinder engine, giving 182 horsepower and the ability to tow 1,500 pounds. A continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, sends power to Subaru's all-wheel drive system. A Subaru Forester will cost about $2,000 for maintenance and repairs during its first 5 years of service. With a reliability score of 83 out of 100 rating from J.D. Power, the 2021 Subaru Crosstrek doesn't demand much in terms of maintenance. Foresters can last 200,000 and 250,000 with proper maintenance. Throughout its more than 2 decades of production, the Forester has gained a reputation for easily crossing the 200,000-mile threshold. Considering its initial price of just $26,000, this makes the Crosstrek an excellent choice if you're looking for a reliable car that won't strain your budget in the long run. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the Forester delivers 26 mpg city and 33 mpg highway. 5. 2020 Mazda CX30. The Mazda CX30 fits right between the smaller CX3 and the larger CX5 in the Mazda lineup. Even though you might wonder why it's not called the CX4, Mazda has a long story behind it. Regardless of its name, we like how it looks. In terms of mileage, a well-maintained Mazda CX30 can last well over 200,000 miles. The 2020 Mazda CX30 has a predicted reliability score of 82 out of 100 from J.D. Power, and maintaining and repairing a Mazda CX30 for the first 5 years will cost approximately $1,900. This is pretty decent for a car of this caliber. Other costs, such as depreciation, insurance, fuel, and interest, sum up to $26,000 after 5 years of usage. Every CX30 comes with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, producing 186 horsepower. The only available transmission is a 6-speed automatic. While it generally selects gears wisely based on driving conditions, there might be an occasional stumble when shifting. If you're a fan of the Mazda 3 hatchback, you'll likely enjoy the CX30 too. Front-wheel drive CX30 models receive fuel economy estimates of 25 mpg city, 33 mpg highway, and 28 mpg combined from the EPA. All-wheel drive drops the estimates to 24 city, 31 mpg, and 26 mpg. And that's all we have for today, folks. Our top 5 durable, low-maintenance SUVs. Which of them was your favorite? Let us know in the comments section below, and we'll see you in the next one.